So, how high will XRP go from 2025, the year we're in now, to 2030? So, this is a big XRP price prediction and XRP news video for you. We're going to cover this. It's actually very, very bold what this particular price prediction is, and it's coming from $12 billion asset manager Bitwise. Now, to give you some context, let's look at what XRP is trading at $2.12 right now. And to add to this, this chart shows you right here. See this yellow line? See these two yellow lines. So if you look at the date, date started on December 3rd. That's when we had the major run up right here. Let me show you this. So from right here to right here, we went up 450% in about 30 days, 24 to 30 days, right? That was the after Trump got elected. And then, we just continued to obviously to consolidate. Now, to give you some perspective, got to give a little plug here. See that right there? That's a buy alert and a sell alert coming in from my trading indicator that I had built. And you can get it today for about $1.15 or $1.20 is what it costs you to use every single day. And in 82 days, that's a buy alert, a sell alert. It's 490%. So $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you just shy, of 10 grand in about 80 days. Okay, so that's what the software does. So links in the description below, right down there if you want to check it out. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee as well. So you could try it. You don't like it for 30 days, you get a refund. By the way, the software also works for stocks as well. So let me show you that. So this is Bitcoin's chart, but look, this is the Netflix chart right here. So look, this is the software working for Netflix. You see it in the upper left. So you can buy and sell stocks. I mean, right now, crazy times we got going on. That's 204 days, 57%. Okay, so you can use the software for stocks to buy to find some great deals on stocks. Okay. So what is our price prediction for XRP? Let's cut to the chase. Let's get this done. So Bitwise has come out and given they're determining a valuation target on the applied a formula based on the capital asset pricing model, CAPM, using a discount factor to adjust for macroeconomic, regulatory, and competitive risk. Say that really fast. Okay. So, all right, let's cut down right here. Here's the numbers. Okay. So look, I love this. Bitwise expects XRP to end 2025 at $4.48. That is surpassing our all-time high, and that is more than doubling from where we're at right here. And guys, this is actually pretty reasonable considering that we will have a major run probably in the bull run of a major bull run, in the fourth quarter of 2025. Our Q1 bull run been canceled, all right, and because of turbulence, tariffs, uncertainty, inflation, blah, blah, blah. Everything I've said 8 million times. Okay. So $4.48 by the end of 2025, I'll take it. How about you? How do you feel about it? Drop in the comments below. If you're watching this on X, drop in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 26, $6.53. Okay. It's not bad. Look at this. 27, $9.60. So that's just almost a 5x from where we're at right now, right? It's a 4 and change, but you get the point. So 4 to 5x from where we're at right now. So good, very aggressive. I like this. From 2028, it anticipates XRP will trade in the double-digit range. So going from $9.60 to in 2027, so all the way to 1384 in 2028, 2029. $20. So from $13 to $20 and 29, basically $30, just shy of $30 by 2030. So that is don't do math in public, about an 11x from where we're at. Again, I think this is very, very reasonable. Okay. So this max scenario centers around XRP role in tokenization and payments. Yes, I agree. Global tokenization market expected to exceed 10.9 trillion, and then not including payments, leveraging Ripple's payment system technology. Good stuff, right? What do you think? Do you agree with this? Do you think that this is reasonable? We'd love to hear from you in the comments. I know this is going to be a touchy subject. Don't just look at what's going on today, though, right? Look at what you think forward looking by 2030. And I think that these are actually really, my opinion, I think these are reasonable numbers. So it's again, 25, the end of 25, $4.50. 26, $6.50. 27, just shy of $10. 28, just shy of $14. 29, over $20. And 2030, basically 30 bucks. Yeah, exponential growth there. And ultimately in a 11 plus or more X. And I think this is kind of a middle of the road. What if we get some even better stuff and we 20X, 30X? Yeah, I think it's doable too. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Hit that like, hit that subscribe on your way out if you're watching this here on YouTube. And if you're on X, please consider giving me a follow. Remember, if you're interested, check out my software. Look, you got 30 days. That's what gave you this buy and sell alert. You got 30 days to try it. If you don't like it, you get a instant refund the minute you ask for it. And the software, literally with that discount code and quarterly options, the best, by the way, cost you about $1.20 a day, $1.15 to $1.20. That's what it really costs you. So I'm going to tell you this: you spend more than $1.20 on a cup of coffee, you spend more than that on a soda, a Coke, you spend more than that on candy, you spend more than that on crap that doesn't make you a penny. So why not invest in yourself, invest in your family, at least try this. Well, Austin, I'm afraid of technology. I don't want to try new things. Give it a try. Look, this is the thank you page right here. Everything is laid out here for you to walk you through everything you need to do to set it up. You're up and running in less than 20 minutes. Okay. And by the way, the software runs on an iPhone, runs on Android, it runs on any computer. You can run it in multiple locations. I don't care. Okay. And it gives you these little pop-ups, these little alerts, like literally will be an alert: buy XRP, sell XRP. By the way, you can use it for stocks right here. I said that earlier, I think, but you can use it for stocks. So if you're looking at a way to make money in stocks and in crypto, you can see right here, 204 days. That's a buy alert all the way on the daily chart, all the way up below. But look, that's a 57%. So yeah, $1,000 bought here and sold up here would have made you a profit of 578 bucks. And by the way, that's a massive return on investment, 57%. So you can use the software to track any charts if you want. Here's Tesla. Here's Tesla right here. So look, there's Tesla. So look at this right here. So there's a buy alert all the way up to that sell alert in 72 days, 84%. But notice there was a sell alert at the top. So it said sell and don't take a 50% loss. So make that 85%, right? Put that 85% in your bank account. Help yourself, help your family, all that kind of stuff. That's what the software does. So links in the description below, and the link on X is below as well. All right. I will see you. Have a good one. Take care.